Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we want to show you how to install an in-ceiling subwoofer, and this one's with James LoudSpeaker. If you've watched any of our videos in the past, we've done a ton of James, and so we wanted to show you the dirty work on actually in the attic and how it all goes together, the components, what makes it so awesome. We've already cut our hole, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see this right here, but what we're trying to do is, we want to do an in-ceiling subwoofer because client doesn't want to see a subwoofer on the ground. There was nowhere to hide it in the room, and so the next best option was the ceiling. Well, James makes phenomenal in-ceiling subwoofers called the Power Pipe series. And this is their 10-inch subwoofer. So it's actually made to look like the other in-ceiling speakers that are also 6.5 flush against the ceiling. So super cool. Looking down from the seating area, you wouldn't even be able to tell which one's a sub and which one's not. So super cool. So as we're showing you right there, that's the part that looks like the in-ceiling speaker. It's magnetic. The grill goes right on it. So just to show you the components, this is the tube. It's a tuned tube of a specific length from James. And so we're attaching this tube to the back side of this attachment here that looks like an in-ceiling speaker. And then it goes to this 10-inch big old box sub right here on this port. And so on the back, it's pretty heavy, is your two for your positive and negative, big old screwed terminals. Man, tell you what, you can tell it's James. They put their name on it, super heavy, and then just quality components. So that's why we use James a lot. And when you're doing an in-ceiling subwoofer, you don't want to rattle the whole ceiling and vibrate the sheetrock and all that kind of stuff. So to get away from that, this is what James does. They give you these really thick, cool straps. What they end up doing is strapping them across the joist like that and putting the sub actually across it. So then it's not really sitting directly on the joist, and it's not sitting on sheetrock. And so all the vibrations are being absorbed by these straps, sending obviously all the sound through the tube. So super cool option for an in-ceiling subwoofer. It's going to sound phenomenal. We'll show you once we get it all hooked up and as we get going here. But if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Got lots of cool videos. We'll show you more on this installation later. We got lots of cool things with the rack, outdoor speakers, all kinds of stuff. So this is just one part of it. So until next time, guys, we'll see you down below. All right, there. All right, guys, here we go. You see here, get some light on it. You get the tube right there coming down to the plate. And this is in the attic. And see, it goes up here. It fastens to this 10-inch box. This subwoofer from James. As you can see, there's two big thick rubber straps down below. And see the straps cooperate with this camera. The straps screws in. There's two of them. They go all underneath to the other side. As you can see, there's our terminals right here with our speaker wire. Get my light to cooperate there. There we go. There's his terminals, and then there's the two straps, and it goes right underneath it. So you can see, guys, I'll move this insulation. It is not touching the studs. It's actually right in the middle of the studs. Let's see if I can get this camera to focus a little bit, get some light on the... There we go. Sorry, guys, in the attic, so just trying to show you what it kind of looks like. And this is perfectly fine to be in the attic. There's no electronics up here whatsoever. It's just a sub with a tuned pipe going to the plate down there that looks like a speaker. So as you can see, there's a speaker wire right on the back. So let me take you down below, show you the finished result, and can't wait to get this bad boy working. But guys, what a great solution for an in-ceiling sub. James LoudSpeaker. This is their 10-inch.